As the ball goes down the ramps, it has gravity acting on it, so as it's going down, gravity is pulling it downwards and causing it to go through the tube.
Friction is acting on the ball when the ball is rubbing against the bottom of the tube, it creates friction, and also when the ball goes over the sand, it creates friction, which inevitably stops it.
As the ball goes down the downward slants, it gains speed, and the speed is what helps it go all throughout the roller coaster.
As the ball goes down the ramps, it gains acceleration.
An object in the ball, as it goes through the roller coaster, it applies to the first law of motion, which is an object in motion will stay in motion until an outside force is applied to it. So as it goes through the tubes, it will continue going until the outside force, or in this case the sand, stops it from continuing.
The second law of motion applies, which is mass times acceleration equals force. So the mass of the ball multiplied by the acceleration equals the force that the ball falls at.
The third law of motion also applies to this, which is for every motion, for every force, there is an equal opposite force acting on it. So as the ball goes through the tube, the friction, when it rubs against the underside of the tube, is slowing the ball down as it is gaining speed, and also gravity is working on the ball as it goes down the tube and it goes up around the tube. As it's going through the tube, it gains speed and was continuing up, but gravity is working on it and is slowing it down, but speed wins, and so it continues through.
The ball gains momentum as it goes down the ramps, so it has enough momentum to keep going up the steeper parts and allows it to go through the loop.
When the ball is traveling through the roller coaster, it has energy as it's going down the downward slants, like here and here and here. It has kinetic energy.
The ball has potential energy right before you drop it down the hole, and then also at the peak of the loop and the peak of this little thingy-mabob over here.
So yes, this is our physics of roller coaster science project. Yes.